Sundar to just say a few words about Schwarzkopf Professional and Essential Looks event.
For one of the biggest hair extravaganza that's going to unfurl in the next 1.5 hours. This is easily one of the biggest shows that the hairdressing industry brings to the hairstylist in the market. This is the basis of this entire show is how do we bring or adapt the catwalk looks of New York, Paris, Milan, and London into how it can get adapted into salons. So this is going to be a great show, and I would request you all to be on the conference. You can also be part of witnessing this fantastic extravaganza. And thank you once again. And we would like to also showcase to you our new pack, which this year the Essential Looks is also special, basically because we are also going to unveil the new look of one of the most famous colors in the Indian market and in the world, which is Igora Royal. This has a history of over 50 years. We celebrated the 50th year of Igora Royal last year, and this launch is actually to commemorate the 50th year celebration, but in India we are doing it a year later. Nevertheless, I think it will be one of the best products that, if you're a color loving person, then I think you should go and experience this color in your salon's neighborhood. Thanks.
Good evening to all. New Igora Royal is true color in high definition. What we mean by true color in high definition, all the colors, whether it's red, brown, copper, everything is very rich. So its entire pigment matrix has been mixed together and fully re-engineered. So, and the other thing is the oil content, the lipid carriers has been increased into the new Igora Royal. And probably this is the best Igora Royal that we are having now in 50 years. And why I'm saying it's the best is because it gives you more shine, more vibrancy in hair. The retention, the color lasts very long. And then, of course, after all this, the hair becomes very, very healthy. So when you increase the oil content, the moisturizer or the moisture in color improves. So as you are coloring, the hair gets even more shine and health. So that's new Igora Royal for you. And to me, I think we have, our USP is that we have a lot of shades. We have very rich browns, we have rich coppers and reds, which is one of the best in the market. And if you come to the show, you will truly believe me that what I'm saying when you see all the looks. Thank you.
I think now we know enough and more about the new Igora, and I think it's time to see how the new package
Lisa, मैंने रुका है इधर. Lisa, one second, Lisa.
Just take it in front of the brand. How's that? Excuse me, can you come closer? No, listen.
In English, yes. I think hairstyling very much is a fashion statement because it really completes an outfit. Like for example, today the dress, we've gone with like beautiful old Hollywood curls, which is part of the 4 essential looks that we're talking about today at the Schwarzkopf event. I think hair is like the crowning glory of an outfit, so it's very important that you do it properly.
So it's rainy time, so how do you take care of your hair?
I use Moisture Kick shampoo and conditioner, and I have a hairspray that I use, which is also a spray and conditioner as well from Osis.
3 tips, what do you want to give to girls?
I think do something that suits your face type. First off, you should know what looks good on you. Secondly, I feel less is more. You know, sometimes people when they're trying to make a fashion statement tend to go over the top, and I think it's better to keep it simple. And thirdly, gosh, I don't have that many hair tips for people, I have to think. Invest in a good hair iron. I find a good hair iron can really fix a bad hair day along with the correct beauty products as well.
Okay, back to square one, you're here as like, you're here back and the models will be walking the ramps.
Yes.
How great is it to like sit on the other side of the ramp?
I love it. I love watching fashion shows because I never got to watch them for so many years because I was always walking in them. So it's great to see the girls and I find it very entertaining. I'm looking forward to seeing all the wonderful hairstyles from the essential looks and also, you know, just being here to support the team as they launch their Agora Royale hair color collection.
Lisa, how do you just make your hairstyling with your attires, with your dress?
How do I do it? I usually look at what I'm going to wear and then I take it from there. So I choose my outfit first and then I'll look at my hair and I'll play a little bit with it. Today the Schwarzkopf team decided to go with one of their essential looks, which is these beautiful light waves. And I thought it matched the outfit perfectly, so I was happy to go with it.
So on a bad day here, what will you
I wear a hat.